Ever found yourself wondering about the hidden costs lurking behind that sleek, seemingly simple Tangem wallet? You're not alone. In today's digital age, transparency around fees is more crucial than ever, especially when it comes to securing your precious crypto. So, does Tangem, that popular hardware wallet known for its card-like design and ease of use, actually charge you any fees? Let's dive deep and unravel the details. First off, it's important to understand the fundamental nature of a hardware wallet like Tangem. Its primary function is to securely store your private keys offline, granting you full control over your digital assets. Unlike custodial wallets offered by exchanges, Tangem itself doesn't directly interact with your transactions in a way that would typically incur fees. Think of it as a high-security vault for your crypto. The vault itself doesn't charge you every time you decide to move something in or out. However, the crypto world isn't entirely fee-free. While Tangem as a device doesn't impose direct transaction fees, you will still encounter network fees, often referred to as gas fees. These fees are inherent to the blockchain networks themselves, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. When you initiate a transaction, sending crypto to another wallet, for example, this transaction needs to be processed and validated by the network's miners or validators. These network participants charge a small fee for their services, and this fee is what ensures the transaction gets included in the blockchain. So, where does Tangem fit into this picture? Tangem acts as the secure interface through which you initiate these transactions. When you use the Tangem app to send cryptocurrency, it will calculate the necessary network fee based on the current network congestion. You, the user, will then approve this fee as part of the transaction process before it's broadcast to the blockchain. Tangem doesn't add any extra layer of fees on top of these standard network charges. The fee you see in the Tangem app is the fee required by the specific blockchain you're using. It's also worth noting that some platforms or exchanges you might interact with when buying or selling crypto might have their own fee structures. For example, if you're using the Tangem app to access a decentralized exchange, DEX, or a centralized exchange through a mobile browser, those platforms might have their own trading fees or withdrawal fees. These are separate from any fees associated with the Tangem wallet itself or the underlying blockchain network. Therefore, to answer the initial question directly, Tangem itself does not charge direct transaction fees for sending or receiving cryptocurrencies. The fees you encounter are the standard network fees levied by the blockchain of the specific cryptocurrency you are transacting with. Tangem simply facilitates these transactions securely. When considering the overall cost of using Tangem, you primarily pay for the initial purchase of the hardware wallet itself. After that, the ongoing cost is mainly the network fees associated with your blockchain transactions, which are unavoidable regardless of the hardware or software wallet you use. Tangem's value proposition lies in its security and ease of use, providing a safe and convenient way to manage your digital assets without adding extra layers of transaction costs. So, the next time you're using your Tangem wallet to send some crypto, remember that the fee you're approving is going to the network that powers that specific cryptocurrency, not to Tangem itself. Understanding this distinction is key to navigating the world of digital assets with clarity and confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.